Hey, 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 this is Pierre Delacote talking. Do you know that now can create a team from a template? I think it was existing, but it was a little bit complicated. So what is the use case to create a team from a template? It's, you can build a template and with all the channels, the name channels, everything that you want to recreate every time. You don't want to recreate every time, so you create a template. But what is even more interesting, and I'm gonna give you a use case. Uh, we worked with a customer where we were creating a team for each batch of a migration, and it's the same team with the same channels all over and over. So another way to create a team is to create a team from a team. So here, when you click on the plus now, and by the way, there's a new create channel, so you can create a channel and then pick up your team. But here, my point is to create a team, and here I'm going to use template. And here I'm not going to use from a template. You have a bunch of templates that have been created, and you can create your own actually. But you can create from another team. So let's take a team here with a lot of channels, this one, and I can type the name of my new team. So let's keep it with copy. But I can say if it's private, public, I can say what I want to keep. And so let's see that. Do I want to keep the members? Uh, So it's pretty, you can choose a lot of things here. Um, you won't you won't have the files. The files won't be copied, but the structure, definitely the structure, the settings, the apps that you use in the team will be recreated eventually the members. So let's not do the members. Let's just focus on this. And so I'm going to create it and I'll show you what's going to happen. So it will take, because I guess it's a big team, so it might take a quite a lot of time. So if it takes too much time, I'm gonna pause the video. Let's wait a few seconds to be sure. Stay on this screen to add team member and select or close to add them later. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna see if I can start to see my demo 2. Here it is. So I have my team. I just have one channel. Oh, I have more. So you see it's coming. Takes time. Second one. So I guess it's still processing. But you see, I don't have the post anymore. That's fine. I don't want to have the post. If I go to the files, I don't have the files, I think. Hopefully. It might take a while because it's creating uh, a SharePoint behind the scene. So let's see general. I don't have the tabs. It says that the tab will come. So let's go back to my initial demo. Let's see what's the difference. So I have a lot of tabs. Um, so I don't see them in the new team, but maybe it's doing it in the background. Let's wait a minute. Uh, you can see I have files here, and I don't have files in the copy. Um, so let's see if it's better now. Do I have more? I just have two channels, so I'm not sure if it's finished or not. So here it added the apps because I use different apps. So it added again the apps into the team. So it does that, but it doesn't add the tab yet. Um, so let's wait a little bit because we saw that it adds things. So we can go in tabs and see if the apps are there. I guess yes. Yeah, this app has been added. This one too. This one too. So I guess it added the apps, but it say it should add the tabs. Oh, so you see, I see new channels coming. So it takes a while apparently. Still don't have the tabs, but you see the all the channels that don't have any posts. So it recreates the structure. You probably want to be patient to see all the channels coming. Let's go back to my team. There's a long channel here. I don't know if it's gonna come. I'm not sure if it's gonna work with this, the shared channel and private channel. I will be surprised if you can do that. You see, I have a lot of channels. Uh, so let's wait a little bit to see. So SharePoint integration is the last one. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it at the same, in the same with the same in the same order. Yeah, it comes. I can see most of them. I don't see the private channel or shared channel, so let's wait a little bit. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when I think I have everything. So I waited 2, 3 minutes and now I see the tabs in the general channel. So it came later. So be patient for sure. I think that sometimes might not work because sometimes my point to documents are here. So for example, if I click here, see I don't have it. This tab it doesn't mean anything because the file is not there anymore. But it's interesting. It creates the tabs. I'm gonna pause again to see if the private channel and shared channel are coming. But apparently, let's see if other, I don't know which one I add tabs. Oh, this one has the old wiki tabs. I'm not sure if I add all the channels with tabs. Yeah, so you see, I see the tabs. So the tabs are coming. It takes time, but it's a simple way to recreate a team with channels and tabs, uh, and you know recreate it just in one click and being a little bit patient to be sure that you have all the channels and tabs, but maybe not the shared channels and the private channels. So let's wait a little bit. So I waited and waited, and the private channel and the shared channel were not copied. So the key lesson is the channels that are standard are migrated. Other channels are not migrated. They're copied. In a channel, the tabs are migrated. But if the tab is pointing to a document, it won't work. The files are not migrated, which is expected. Um, what else can we learn from here? Um, I think that's about it. That the main thing is the structure is migrated very well, except for private channel and shared channel. So I think that's most of the use case. So use cases are, I'm doing training and over, and I don't want to clean the team, so I'm just creating a new team every time for the training, and I just start from a previous team and create the new team from the previous team, and I all the nice things, and eventually if sometimes are pointing to files, maybe I can add files after. But it really it saves time when you have that kind of need, when you need to create a team from another team and just to have the structure. Oops, this was insightful.